In this video, we are going to be unboxing the TP-Link Tapo solar-powered security camera kit. This is the TC85 kit, has continuous solar charging so you never have to charge it, and free local storage so you don't have to pay for cloud subscription. Also works with both Alexa and Google Home. Now, in terms of the video quality, you're getting 2K QHD with this 3-pack all-in-one kit. In terms of how you mount it, let me just show you on the back. You have two options. It comes with a mount that allows you to put the solar panel on top and the camera on the bottom, or you could switch them up if you need be and have them in different areas with the big long wire. So without further ado, let's begin this unboxing. Hi everybody, my name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. I'm kind of like a tech handyman where I'm always playing around with the latest technology. And if you're in the market for a home security solution, especially one that you don't have to pay for a monthly cloud subscription, you've come to the right place. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. So this is what it looks like once you open the box. Everything that you need is inside this kit, including the solar panels and the cameras. Speaking of cameras, let's take a look. This is the TC85 camera. There's 3 of them. What you'll notice is it has that oval kind of design. But what's really interesting, and this is different from other security cameras that I've seen, is that that swivel part is built in. That tells you that it has a specific mount that it's going to attach to. And so once I took that piece off, you can see you just basically put it onto the mount and then screw it on, and then you can adjust the angle to make sure that the camera is situated in the perfect angle. On the bottom is where you have the power button and the flaps for both the SD card and the USB charging port. Let's take a look at that. There's the SD card. That's where you definitely want to put a micro SD and save money on the cloud subscription. And then there's on the bottom is the micro USB. Now I was a little bit shocked. I'm going to be honest with you. One, it is a little tricky to get out, but that's a good thing. But look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just try to show it to you again. That's micro USB. It's 2024 and they don't have USB-C, which I was a little bit shocked to see that on a brand new camera like that. But we'll discuss a little bit more about that and what it means. Now, there are these cables, and these cables are interesting because on one end it is micro USB, but then it's made to attach to a USB-C cable. So that's the difference, is that the camera, even though it is micro USB, it does need a little cable to change that adapter. Here's the actual mounting stand where I love it's that 2-in-1 design where the solar panel goes on the top and then the camera goes right on the bottom. And because this is a kit, there's going to be 3 of them available. This is a very interesting bag that's important. It says scan here, but those are the little connection ports. And those are to ensure that no moisture gets inside because you're going to be using these cameras all year round. These are extra long cables, and the reason that those are in there, there's 3 of them you can see, is to connect the solar panel when you want it separate from the camera itself, so when it's not on that mount. Now, the solar panel itself has a USB-C connection, which I'm happy to see. It's very light. I believe it has 4.5 watts of power for that continuous charge. And of course, there are 3 of them inside. Now, it also comes with some zap straps, and I think that's for cable management. And also these stickers. These stickers tell you where to drill the holes for the stand. I don't think you really need it, and you'll see in my review why, because there's a little handy trick on how you can get it up and running. Of course, there's a quick start guide. So here's everything that you can see once it's nicely out, and it's all inside of this kit. Why don't we go ahead and briefly just show you what you get. You get those stickers, and of course you get those 3 stands, the mounting brackets for both the solar panel and the cameras. There's the solar panels, 4.5 watts. You notice these little caps. That's in case you want to separate the camera from the solar panel mount. Then you have the 3 cameras. Those are the little wires I was saying, micro USB on one side, and then it has a USB-C connection on the other with that flap to kind of cover it. Of course, you get these 3 long cables. That's if you want to separate the panels. You got the zap straps, of course, a quick start guide, some more stickers. That's if you just want to mount the camera separate. You have some inserts, screws, and the connection guide as well. Everything all inside of that kit. So that's everything that you get inside of the Tapo camera security kit. What I love about it is that it's really perfect to get you started on a home security solution. Everything that you need is inside of that kit. Now, what you want to do now is go ahead and watch the full review where I set it up. I give you a step-by-step how-to on how to put the cameras together, set it up in the app, and basically give you tips and tricks on where to position the cameras to get continuity in your home security home solution. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Be sure to like, subscribe. Links for this product is in the description below as well. So you can click on that if you're interested. Definitely recommended, Handy Andy approved. And if you watch the review, you'll see why. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you next time.